Find the largest of the three positive integers if the second is 7 more than the first, the third is 1 less than 3 times the first, and the sum of the square of the first integer plus the product of the second and the third integers is 193. So first, let us use the representation. So since there are no any information mentioned about the first integer, let that be x. Let x be the first integer. And the second integer is 7 more than the first. So let's just add 7 to the x. So this will be your second integer. And for the third one is 1 less than 3 times the first. So 3 times the first, 3x, and then 1 less than, so 3x minus 1. So this will be the third one. And then x. The sum of the square of the first integer, so x squared, plus the product of the second and the third integers is 193. So x plus 7 times 3x minus 1 is equal to 193. So we just followed the conditions stated in the problem. So let's try to answer it again. So x squared, and by expanding this to factors, we have 3x squared minus x plus, 3x squared minus x plus 21x minus 7 is equal to 193. Then simplifying it, we have x squared plus 3x squared plus 20x minus 7 is equal to 193. Then next we have 4x squared plus 20x minus 200 is equal to 0. So we simplify this one because they are in similar terms, and then I subtracted minus 193 to both sides. So we have negative 200, and here is 0. So as you can see, all the numbers are divisible by 4. So we can divide both sides by 4. Divide here 4 as well. So we will be having x squared plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0 over 4, or 0 divided 4 is 0. So in order to get the value of x, we just have to factor this equation. So we have 1 here. Factors of 1 are 1 and 1. And then factors of negative 50 could be negative 10 times 5 or 10 times negative 5. But when added, should give us positive 5. So in that case, 5 here would be negative, so that when 10 minus 5 is 5, will give us positive 5 here. And then when multiplied, will give us negative 50. So we copy it in this manner. So x plus 10, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 10 and 5. So 10 here, negative 10 here is like a solution to this problem. So we will consider 5. So 5 itself is the first integer. And for the second, which is x plus 7, so x plus 7 is equal to 12. And so 12 is the second integer. Then for the third integer is 3x minus 1. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. So this is for the third integer. So since 14 is the largest, this is the final answer.